Mastering Pronunciation and Accent Reduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we'll be delving into pronunciation and accent reduction. This topic is incredibly important for effective communication in English, and mastering it can help boost your confidence when speaking. Pronunciation refers to the way a word or language is spoken, while an accent is a specific way of pronouncing a language, often linked to a country, region, or social group. It's important to remember that all accents are valid and there's no one correct way to speak. However, understanding standard English pronunciation can aid in clearer communication and enhance mutual understanding. The first step in improving your pronunciation and reducing your accent is active listening. By listening to native English speakers, you can pick up on the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation of words and sentences. You can listen to English speakers in many contexts, such as movies, TV shows, podcasts, or even interacting with native speakers in person, if possible. The key to better pronunciation is, quite simply, practice. Start by speaking out loud in English as much as you can. You can read a book aloud, repeat sentences from a movie, or even sing along to English songs. Try to mimic the pronunciation of the native speakers you're listening to. It might feel funny at first, but it's a great way to practice. It's very beneficial to record yourself speaking English. When you listen back, you can hear which sounds or words are difficult for you to pronounce. This way, you can identify areas you need to work on. Remember, self-awareness is the first step towards improvement. English tongue twisters are a fun and challenging way to improve your pronunciation. They can help you practice particular sounds and make you more comfortable with the rhythm and intonation of English. Don't shy away from making mistakes. It's part of the learning process. Thank you for joining us today in our journey to better pronunciation and accent reduction. Remember, practice makes perfect and it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see improvement in no time. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!